Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is me. The topic of the today is wrongful restraint. So wrongful restraint is the offense which is defined under section 126 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. It is the offense against the human body. So according to this section, whoever voluntarily obstruct any person so as to prevent that person from proceeding in any direction commit the offense of wrongful restraint. द मीनिंग इज़ कोई भी पर्सन किसी दूसरे पर्सन को किसी एक डायरेक्शन में जाने के लिए रोकता है तो वो उस पर्सन के साथ wrongful restraint का offense कमिट करता है एंड the offender is punishable for the offense either description for 1 month, also 5,000 fine, or with the both. But there is exception also, the obstruction, if the obstruction on the private way. So because private way is the right of the owner. वो उस ओनर का राइट है कि ये मेरा घर है, मेरे घर पर कोई नहीं आ सकता, वो उसकी मर्ज़ी है, वो उसकी वॉलंटरीनेस है और वो उसकी इंटेंशन है. तो अगर वो तो if the owner want to know the person comes to my home intentionally or voluntary, so this is not the offense. So the exception is the coming and enter into the private way, and the punishment is this 1 month or maybe extend to 5,000 fine or with the both. So the essential element of the offense is there should be a voluntariness, because intention होनी चाहिए, voluntarily होनी चाहिए. Mens rea is a must in the offense, and there should be obstruction also by the offender, and the obstruction will be a physical, not mentally. So this is the offense only, wrongful restraint, and the next video will be on the wrongful confinement. So thank you so much.